My fourth Pause by Mind box has arrived. This month, the hint sticker reads Wreck. I'm thinking it's maybe recycling themed, but let's find out. For those that don't know, Pause is a box that's delivered to your door each month if you donate £8 to the mental health charity Mind. First, we have this card which reveals that the box hint was short for recipe. It says that this month we're encouraged to make nutritious and delicious smoothies. As always, it's packaged with this cute tissue paper, making it feel like a real present. This mini card says that the theme is actually renew, and encourages me to think of an autumn bucket list, an interesting idea to add some mindfulness to this season. Next, we have this booklet explaining some of the health benefits you can get from fruit and veggies. The gift in this month's box is this metal straw. I'm not sure how useful I'll find it, but it does fit with the theme. And finally, we have these recipe cards. 5 very different smoothies and juice blends to try. So I guess to do a fair review, I'm gonna have to try them all. The shopping list was quite long for these. There aren't many overlapping ingredients. This is most of what I got, but I actually missed out a few things here like yogurt, spices and lemon juice. But as you can see, unsurprisingly, most of the ingredients are fresh fruit and veg. I had a few of the ingredients already in the fridge, but some of these, like kale, I've never tried before. So I prepped the ingredients for each of the mixes. As you can see, some took much more than others, but I like the fact that they give a wide variety of drinks. It means that there's a higher chance of liking at least one of them. I also had to steam the kale, but besides that, all of the ingredients are used raw. It was mostly just a case of blending the ingredients together, occasionally juicing the fruit, but as long as you have some kind of blender, these are pretty straightforward to make. I poured them all into glasses, and I'm not gonna lie, I was looking forward to trying some way more than others. And now to taste test. Using the metal straw, I had a sip from each and made the following notes. First, the straw is pretty thin for smoothies, and so maybe a slightly wider straw would have made more sense. The super green tea smoothie for me was just too bitter. This might be improved with more honey, but this is not my cup of green tea at all. The pear and ginger smoothie, if I had to describe it in one word, would be inoffensive. I think I'd make it without cinnamon next time, but I do like the oats. The positive juice, I thought this was surprisingly yummy, and I personally prefer juices to smoothies. The pomegranate spritz had a nice blend of sweet and tart. This drink is really refreshing. I'd consider making it again. And finally, the plum lemonade. Again, I prefer this juice drink to a smoothie, but it just isn't very exciting. It's fine. Overall, this box did make me try something new, and I had fun trying out some new drinks, even if I wouldn't make most of them ever again. Now, this box doesn't really contain value for money, but I don't really think that matters. This box is essentially an extra gift for donating to Mind. If I were to offer an opinion on improving the box, perhaps a wider smoothie straw would be better, and a brush for cleaning it after use. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're interested in what was in the other pause boxes, check out this playlist. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribing so you don't miss the next box.